Hey guys! So for the past week and a half, I have been in California visiting my dad, and I really only see him like twice a year, so unfortunately I wasn't able to complete the booktubeathon because that felt like during the week I was there. But even though I wasn't able to do the book readathon or YouTube bookathon, I still get the name of that thing wrong. I did a lot of reading, so I'm just gonna share the books that I read while I was on vacation. The first book that I read was Crank by Ellen Hopkins, and I gave this book 4 out of 5 stars on Goodreads. This is a book everyone it seems has read, and I was dragging my feet reading it because I thought it's not something I'm really gonna like. I mean, it's told in verse, and I didn't think that was something I really would enjoy. But I surprisingly found it really easy to get into, and I enjoyed it like from start to finish. It was excellent. So I'm actually gonna pick up the sequel, which is Glass, because I liked the first book so much. So seriously, if you are like me and you were kind of hesitant to read it at first, just give it a shot because you probably will enjoy it a lot more than you think. The next book that I read was Of Poseidon by Anna Banks, and this book I gave 3 out of 5 stars. Only because, I mean, I did like the story. I thought it was like a really cool idea for a plot and all that stuff, but I just thought there was a lot of cheesy parts in it, like the romance between the 2 main characters seemed kind of weird to me. So I don't know, I feel like it could have been done better, but it wasn't a really bad book. It was just kind of okay for me. The next book that I read was Graffiti Moon, and I don't know who wrote it, but I will have like that below. But Graffiti Moon, I gave that one 3.5 out of 5 stars. It was good, it just wasn't excellent. I mean, it was really well written, so I enjoyed that aspect of the book. And the story was pretty cool. I like that it all took place in one night. I mean, it's just kind of fun when there are books like that. But I just didn't really like it as much as I thought I would, and I didn't really get as into it as I could have. Also, some parts of the book seemed really forced and just weird and bizarre. But altogether, it wasn't a horrible book, just not the best. My favorite read over vacation had to be The Last Letter from Your Lover by Jojo Moyes. I'm just going with that's how her last name is pronounced because I still really don't know. But this book was really great. I gave it 4 out of 5 stars, and if you really want a book about star-crossed lovers or something like that, this would be the book for you. Really, it broke your heart in parts, but then it put it back together again. So this is where it kind of enters fail territory for me. I started Whodunit, which is by like all those authors and whatever. The thing is that I had to return it to my library. I didn't finish it on vacation, and I had to return it because then I came back here to like non-Orlando school, and I had to return it to the Orange County library system. So I'm on page 281, which, I mean, I'm near the end. I could finish it easily in a day, but I don't have it anymore, which really sucks because it's a really cool book. When you just see that familiar name and then you read their defense about why they didn't kill Herman Mildew, you just kind of love them more because it just shows a different side of them, like this funny, weird kind of side, which I really liked reading about. And I have to finish this book because I still don't know who killed Herman Mildew, and I need to find out. And those are all the books that I read while I was on vacation, and I'm actually leaving again for another trip on Saturday. So before Saturday, hopefully I will finish reading The Selection by Kiera Cass. Kira? I'm sorry that I can't say your name, but I'm just really bad at things. Let me know what you guys are all reading, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.